Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new. So today, as the title suggests, we are going, look at those ends. We are going to be doing a Bantu nada on freshly washed and blown out hair. So that was a mouthful, but as you see, I had my hair split down the middle badly, but we're going to split it into 4 parts. If y'all need a blowout tutorial, I do have that on my channel, so I'll link it in the cards. As you see, I'm laughing. I'm at my friend's house and we just talking, and I'm easily distracted like that. But anyway, the one product I use is Eco Styling Gel. That is it, nothing else. And y'all, with the gel, a little goes a long way. So I just do enough to coat the top of my fingertips, and then I just section off a small piece in the back, no particular way. I just finger section it, don't care if it's even. And then I just start twisting downwards, and I wrap it around naturally around the knot until it becomes like a decent Bantu knot. And y'all, my friend came and surprised me with a whole plate of food. Well, she didn't surprise me because I smelled her cooking it, but she made my plate and I was so excited to eat. Like, I was hungry. This is me just telling y'all I'll be back. I gotta go refuel. My stomach tight, me exhausted, but it's 3 a.m. I'm just ready to go finish off this second half. So let's get back to it. I literally look like Cynthia, Angelica's doll. Anyway. So one thing y'all are gonna notice about me is that I do not care about perfect lines in my parts. I don't care, because this is a style I'm not walking out the house with. I mean, if I have to run out to run errands, I'm just gonna throw a scarf on and call it a day. But you know, if you are going out and you're like going out for like events, and yeah, you know, take care of your parts. But for me personally, I feel like the outcome of this style looks a lot better when your parts are not straight lines, because like the wind blows and everybody sees where you parted that part. I don't know, to me it's just, I like it. Also, I'm very much lazy, so there is also that. But yeah, so I don't care about parts. I mean, I don't like wasting my time doing it. It takes so much time to make sure that part is straight and even, and that's too much for me. Like, this is supposed to be a quick, easier style. That makes me look at you too out there. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late. Alright, so I'm on my last Bantu. As you see, I kind of messed up with the other two, and that's where that little hair is at, but we're gonna ignore it. But I start off by applying the gel. Make sure you are coating just the tips of your fingers with the gel, and I'm twisting my hair away. I'm just twisting it all the way down. As you see, it's just a little long process. Ignore my face, I'm half asleep. Anyway, at this point we are going to start the Bantu. So I use a hand to kind of ground the knot as I am twisting the hair and wrapping it around. Twist the hair. Twist, twist, twist. You want it tight, but not too tight to where it hurts. And wrap. Wrap. Twist. You see? It's like a little, it's so repetitive, like, it's easy. I'm just taking out that other Bantu knot because it was in the way. But I continue to twist and wrap. And usually by the end, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't care too much to even twist it. I'm usually too lazy at that point, so my hands are cramping. I'm just trying to finish. Just gonna fix up my little mistake. Ain't nothing major. It's not stopping the show. So, you know, twist, wrap, and it's still kind of twisted at that point. So I'm just kind of wrapping it. And when you start the Bantu, you know, it naturally starts to knot itself. So you just kind of follow how your hair wants to do that. So you're not manipulating it too much. Just adding a little more gel to the ends because I felt like they needed it to kind of hold the style more. And I'm just twisting and wrapping. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that last piece. So it is the next day, so I am going to take it out. I waited a few hours, like it's probably around 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. But I'm starting to untwist it. Kind of zoomed in to show y'all. Now I'm yanking it down. Don't do that. But you see how I'm twisting in the direction to kind of loosen it up? That is what I suggest. And also make sure your fingers have oil on them. That helps with the frizz. It helps keep it tame. You know, it helps everything out. So I'm just gonna rush and do all of that. I was running a little late this day, so I'm talking to my friend, telling her, "Yeah, girl, I'm almost ready." Which technically I am because I'm dressed, makeup's done. It's just hair. I saved that for last, you know. But I'm just going to unscrew the pieces. I don't know what you would say for that, but yeah, I guess I'm unscrewing the pieces. I'll zoom in and give y'all a little bit of a better view of how this all works, but just kind of, you know, taking out the end of it and then struggling and then untwisting it, so it just kind of flops back up. I really love this hairstyle. I need to do it more often. But yeah, so now I am going to separate the hair. I do not fully fluff my hair on camera. I apologize about that. I just separate the hair and kind of fluff it out, and then I'll get a pick for the roots and flip the hair around. So I am all fluffed out right now. I did Bantu. I did not. I did one curl, like 2 pieces. But other than that, I'm loving it. Like, look at me. Look at me feeling myself. Yeah, okay, okay, girl, shake. But yeah, I really love the results. I think it was really cute. I didn't want to over fluff it because I knew I was gonna wear it for a few times. Here's the back. But yeah, y'all, I really love it. I'll attach some more pictures and videos of that night. Bye. Alright, so I couldn't have the audio in due to the fact that copyright. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on social media, you know, stay connected. I hope this tutorial has helped y'all. Don't forget to wear your sunscreen, and I will have another video out shortly. Bye.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.